a little bit slow because of reason I'm not well. So try to understand, okay? I can't speak loudly, okay? So I'm speaking medium level. So maximum try to understand. Okay, now? Right. So next level guys here, the next concept is called as what now? Clauses. Okay, so basically clauses, how to use in our database and why clauses are going to play most important role in the database means the reason is observe. So for example, guys here, suppose and come to your database table. Okay, right. So guys here, for example, let you come out and call your table. So select a start from EMP is one of my table. And guys here to executing this table, okay, now let you see. So your EMP table is having completed employees information and almost a total 15 employees information we have it here. Okay, now. So now what is our requirement on this table? So which employee number 7788, which employee number 7788, that employee details I need to retrieve from the table. I need to retrieve from the table. Okay, now. So now when I want to go for to retrieving a specific employee data, then how we can retrieve? Okay, so my question is what now? Don't use where class condition. Don't use how to okay. So anybody try guys? Without using where class, without using where condition, without using where condition, I want to retrieve a specific row from EMP table. So any guessing or any idea? Any guessing guys? Ashok, we can't use if condition, Ashok. So if statements are not supported in SQL, if statements are not supported in SQL. Okay, so this is not possible. This is not possible. So without where class condition, we can't retrieve a specific row data from a table. either a specific row if you want to retrieve, or else a specific row if you want to update, or else a specific row if you want to delete from your table. Compulsory we should require a where clause. Compulsory we should require a where clause. Okay now, so without where clause you can't get that kind of requirements and that kind of operations we cannot perform here. Okay now, so that is what the purpose, that means the need of a where clause. Need of a where clause. For example, in the next level I'm asking to guys, suppose here one of the column you can see salary columns are there. In salary column, can you check out guys here? Okay, in salary column, can you check out here? Is there any particular order of the salary column information? Is there any particular order of salary column information? No. So there is no order. Yes or no? There is no order. So that means your salary column, if you want to see that salary column values are not in a particular order. Okay, not in a particular order. So it is an unordered way the data will be stored in your salary column. It's an unordered way it will be stored into your salary column. But now guys here, suppose I need to arrange those employee salaries in a particular order. Either it may be ascending order or it may be descending order, or it may be ascending or descending order. So which class is required means here order by class. But without order by class, you can't sort your values either in ascending or descending. So that means what you understand guys here. Okay, so every database operation we cannot perform with only SQL query. Every operation we cannot perform with only SQL predefined queries. So which was or which requirements we can't fulfill, which requirements we can't fulfill by using of SQL predefined query. So those requirements to achieving purpose, those requirements to achieving purpose, we are using what now here clauses. Okay, those requirements we are achieving purpose, we are using what now clauses. For example, so that's what we can say guys here. A clause is a statement. A clause is a statement. Clause is a statement which is used, which is used to add, to to SQL query, to add to SQL query for SQL query for providing, for providing, for providing, for providing the additional facilities, the additional facilities, the additional facilities, facilities like 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 filtering rows, like filtering rows, comma, sorting values, comma, fetching top topmost rows, comma, grouping. Okay, grouping. Okay, so grouping similar data, similar data. Next, finding, finding subtotal, finding subtotal and grand total, total based on, based on columns automatically, based on columns automatically. Okay now, automatically. So these are what we call guys here Okay, right. So this is what now the classes. So what finally say, class is a statement which is used to adding to SQL query for providing some additional facilities like filtering rows, sorting values, fetching topmost rows, grouping similar data, and finding subtotal and grand total based on columns automatically. Okay, now so the syntax of it means here. Okay, so what I said, every database operation we cannot perform with the SQL query. With the SQL query is not possible. So which operations we can't fulfill, which operation we can't fulfill. So those operations are to fulfill. Okay, those operations are to fulfill, then I need to use what now here, clause statement. I want to use here, I want to use what now, clause statement. So now the combination of SQL query plus clause, the combination of SQL query plus clause, then you can do some kind of operations. So for example, just now I said, I want to retrieve a specific employee data from the table. So whenever you want to retrieve a specific employee data, only SQL query through we can't do. Okay, only SQL query through we can't do. Then what we want to do, sir, means so immediately when that operation is not possible to fulfill by using of SQL query, by using of SQL query, then immediately you have to add clauses. Then immediately you have to add a clause. So when you're adding clause to your query, okay, so based on which clause are you adding, so based on that clause it will be providing some technique, and based on the technique your data will be retrieved. Okay, now so this is what we call as clauses, very very important. Okay, which will play a very important role in database operations. Okay, now so if you want to do any kind of operation, maximum classes will be helping us to do some different types of operations like filtering rows, like sorting values, like finding top rows, like finding subtotal and grand total, like grouping similar data. So this kind of operations whenever you want to do, compulsory we require what now, clause. Compulsory we require what now, clauses. Okay, now so that is clauses advantage, guys, here. Okay, now right. So now total in our SQL server, how many classes was there and which classes are supported and how these classes are using in your SQL queries, let you see, guys, here. So one by one I will give it a classes here. First one we have a where class. Second one we are using here order by class. Third one we are using here top n class. Fourth one I'm using grouping class. Fifth one I'm using having class. Sixth one I'm using roll up class. And seventh one is called okay cube classes. So these are the clauses very very oftenly the people are using in our SQL queries. Okay, now let you see, guys, here one by one these classes how it was going to be work, we will see it now. So first one we can say where class here. So let you see, guys, here where class, what purpose it will be using now. So where class, simply we can say, so where class we are going to be using, guys, here, okay, to filtering, rows before grouping data in a table, in a table okay. So that means what happened here, this where class condition is working on. Okay, so it working on, or it's work on, it's work on, it's work on each row, on each row of a table. Okay, it's work on each row of a table. Okay, now that is very important here. And one more very important point is what now, so many students are they know classes but they doesn't know which class is supported which type of commands. Yes or no? So that is also very important. Suppose where class is there, this where class I can use in which type of queries, and which type of SQL queries only supported where class. So that is also very very important, guys. If you know that logic, okay, so and so class we can use under so and so queries only. So that kind of information when you know as a programmer, then it's very very easy to you. So which class I want to use for which situation purpose. Okay, now Now here where class what we setting here. So this will be said here to filtering rows. To filtering rows before grouping data in the table. So before grouping data in the table means every individual row is verified. Every individual row is checked. Yes or no? So that is the mean of before grouping the data into table. Okay, let you see. And this where class, okay, it can be used here, used in only three commands entire the database. Select command, next one is update command, and delete command. Okay na? So this is very very important. So only these commands only we can use and we can work. Select, update, delete. So other than these commands you can't use in any other command. You can't use in any other command. Okay na? So this is what now the command and which command is supported in your where classes statements, so that we check it out. Now the syntax is simple guys here for these three commands. Okay, one is we called as what now, select command, one is we called as a update command, and one is we called as a delete. So now these three commands is working on syntax is what now, where filtering rows, okay, where filtering condition, okay, filtering condition. Okay na, right. So now you can see, for example, so now I just given here, so write a query to display employee whose employee number is 7788. Okay na? So for the solution we all of you know, so for the solution we all of you know, so how to write guys here, select a statement, select a star from emp, so where emp number is equals to 7788. So now this is what we call guys here. So how to get a specific row. So now in this syntax, if you carefully identify here, select a star from table name. This is called as a SQL predefined query. This is called as a SQL predefined query. Okay, na? This is called as a SQL predefined query. So up to here, up to here, up to here, this is called as a what we can say here, SQL predefined query. Up to here, this is called as what now, SQL predefined query. Okay, now this query cannot be changed here. So along with this plus, so what we writing here, some additional statement with the help of a class. Which class here, where class. Now so query plus class is a needed here, query plus classes. So now what is the class here, where. So where class, this two combination, that means to my SQL query, to my SQL query, I'm going to adding where class condition. So when I'm adding where class condition to my selector or to my update to my delete operation, internally how it was working, let you see. Suppose the same question, let you come out. So now what we said guys here, suppose I need to get a specific student data. So select a star from emp where class is mandatory. So emp number 7788. So without the where class you can't get this output. So now we achieved now. So that means a specific raw data, if you want to retrieve or display or delete or update, then compulsory we should require what now? What we require compulsory? Yes, we required here where class. And without where class we can't do it now. Okay now. But this where class condition, how it was working, how it was working means, I said this where class condition we are working when before grouping data in table, before grouping data in table. Okay, so before grouping, that means every individual row, every row. Okay, so now tell me guys here, in my table total number of rows, how many rows are there guys here? Can you check out how many rows are there? Come on guys, how many rows are there? 15 rows are there. So that means what happened guys here, what are the condition I was given? So where class condition, so this condition total how many rows it will be verified. So total this condition, total how many times verified means, now we can see what are the where class condition is there where EMP number is equals to 7788. So this will be comparing with each and every row of EMP number column data, each and every row. So that means in your table, suppose 15 rows are there means it will be comparing 15 times. 15 row means it will be comparing 15 times. Okay, so that means suppose your table is having 1 lakh rows, then the where class condition is comparing, checking with the 1 lakh rows data. So checking with the 1 lakh rows data. So like this, the where class condition is going to be work on each and every row, each and every individual row it will be work on. Okay now, so in such a manner, so it was going to be comparing each and every row, and wherever your condition is true, wherever your condition is true, so wherever your condition is true, then true condition data retrieving from a table. So for true condition data retrieving from a table, so let you see now each and every condition is going to be checked and finally executed now, and wherever your condition is true, the true condition data retrieval, and wherever your condition is false, the false conditional data will not be retrieved, the false conditional data will not be retrieved. Okay now, so that means what happened, when condition is false, then false condition data filtering false conditions data and getting only true conditions data only retrieval. Okay now, so this is where class internally working. That's why where class is used for what purpose? Filtering rows purpose, filtering rows purpose. Okay now, filtering rows purpose. So it will be filtered like this each and every row at the time of required data getting purpose. Okay now, right? So like this we can go to write guys here update query, delete query, whatever you can go to write it. Already I show you how to write update query with where example, how to write delete with where example, and in documents operator documents also we have it here. Okay now, right? So this is what, and second one is called as what now, order by guys. Second one is called as what now, order by. So now, so order by class is what now here, to arrangement purpose, to arrange column specific, specific column values, arrange specific column values either in ascending, either in ascending or descending, either ascending or descending order. Okay now, so whenever you want to arrange a specific column data either ascending order, ascending order means what now, okay, so low level to high level, so 0 to 1 or sorry 0 to 10 like this. So descending means big to small. Okay, so ascending means small to big, and descending means big to small. Okay, right? So this is the purpose actually order by. But here guys, here suppose by default, if I'm asking by default, order by class, by default order by class will arrange, will arrange, will arrange. Okay, so in which manner it will be arranged means by default means, so by default order by class will arrange in which order? Ascending order. Okay, ascending order, it's a default order guys, it's a default order. Okay now, suppose if we want it, if we want to arrange, okay, values in descending order, in descending order, in descending order, then we use, then we use which keyword here? Desk keyword. Then we use here desk keyword. So desk means descending, desk means what now? Descending, desk means what now? Descending. Okay now, so this is one point should be remember here, the how, and this order by class in which query I can use. this order by class in which class sorry in which query I can use means so it can be used guys here. It can be used in only one command guys here, that is called as what now, select command only. Select command only. So it means what you understand guys here, so other than select command you can't use any other command you are ordered by. You can't use any other command order by. Okay, now we can use only self query. Other than self query you can't use into any other commands here. Okay, now right now how the syntax will be there, how the syntax will be there means I'm writing here, select star from table name order by column name 1 ASC ascending or desk DSC. Okay, comma column name 2, okay, ASC comma desk DSC, okay, comma and so on. Okay, now so this is your syntax guys here, and it was supported only one command, that is what now, select command. Okay, now right now let you see some examples in this. Okay, so write a query to display all employee salaries in ascending order, in ascending order. Okay, now right, so let you see guys here. Now suppose this is our table, this is our table, and in table can you see your salary column, okay, is not having in the order. So let you see guys, to execute a particular order, so I'm using here order by salary column, and by default what now, ascending. And here order by clause I'm going to apply on salary column, so that means salary column data will be arranging into ascending order. Okay, now and along with your star means what now, all columns are displayed here. Okay, let you see to execute this one. Okay, and see all every salary column, can you see ascending order it will be arranged now. Come on guys, your data will be arranging into ascending order. Okay, right. So now suppose you need to display in descending order guys here. Let you add your desk keyword, let you add your desk keyword and execute. Now we can see descending order data will be arranging here. And here my salary column sorted by programmer by using of order by class along with the all columns. Star means what I said, along with the all columns are displayed, along with the all columns are displayed. Okay, now so now for example I don't want it all columns, I don't want it all columns, then you can write like this also, select which column, particularly salary from EMP, and you can use order by later salary desk keyword. And now you can execute. Now that particular salary column only we are going to be uh, arranging here, that particular salary column data only we are going to be arranging here. Okay, now so this is either all columns through arrange, otherwise that particular column also you can arrange. Okay, now so anything you can go to use it guys. And the next example, let you see, let you see. Suppose one more example is what now guys here, write a query to display, write a query to display list of employee who are working in department number is 20, and arrange those employee, arrange those employee salaries in descending order. Okay, na? In descending order. So guys here the question understand carefully. Okay, So carefully observe. So what I'm asking guys here, I want to display list of employee who are working in the department number is 20. Who are working in the department number is 20. And arrange those employee salaries in descending order. So first of all, to get employees who are working in the department number 20, first I want it. So how to get guys here who are working in 20th department, how to get, what I want to use, which class I want to use, which class I want to use, who are working in department number 20. Very good, very good. Where class I want to use, where class I want to use. Okay, na? Right, guys. So let you see, I'm using your where class. Let you see, first I want to use a where class. So I'm using select a star from EMP. So where department number is equals to 20. Okay. Now let you see guys here, department number 20 people, I got it now. Come on guys. Department number 20 people, I got it or not? Yes. But guys here, department number 20 people, we got it fine. But tell me, their salaries are arranging into any order? Their salaries are arranging into any order? No. So, but I want to arrange those people, employee salaries, those employee salary, which order I said? Descending order. Which order I said? Descending order. So descending order means what? Which class I want to use here? Which class I want to use? Order by. So order by which column? Salary. Which keyword? Desk. And now entire query you can select and execute. Entire query you can select and execute. Yes. Now see, your requirement is fulfilled. We wanted a department number 20 people. So we got it, and the salaries are descending order. So we got it, guys. Okay, right. So here two classes we are using, where class and order by. Okay, now right. And the next one is, for example, next question observe. Write a query to arrange employee department numbers, employee department numbers in ascending order, in ascending order, and and their salaries, and their salaries in descending order, in descending order, order for for, for each department number wise, for each department number wise. Okay na? So write a query to arrange. Okay, so now, so what it was happen guys here, it was arranging here department numbers I want to arrange into ascending, and their employee salaries are descending. And which wise I'm telling now? Each department number wise. Okay na? Let you come back here guys, let you come back here how to write this question. Okay, so now let you see, select star from EMP. So order by department numbers. So up to here, I just executed this query. Let you see guys here, my department number column is arranging into ascending order. Satisfied now? Will arranging into ascending order. Can you check guys? Ascending order, come on. Yes. And what I'm saying here, their salaries I want to descending order. So that means I want to give a comma, salary. What I want to use? Desk. So that means department numbers are ascending order, salaries are descending order for each department number wise. Okay, let you see to execute now. After executing now guys here, so come back and see, come back and see your requirement is fulfilled or not. Let you come out and see. Okay, right? Now, so now we can see guys here department number. Okay, now carefully observe. Your requirement is fulfilled. So 10, 10, 10, 10. So this is one group. Okay, now this is a one separate order. So department number 10 wise, their salaries are descending order. Okay, now right. Next one is what now? 20. So 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, 20, and their salaries are descending order. So got it now? And same to same next to 30. So 30s are there. So that means I displayed department numbers are ascending order, and their salaries are descending order for each department number wise. So satisfied now guys? Your question satisfied or not? For each department number wise, so you got it, your answer now? Okay, right. So this is the way you can go to use guys here order by class. But here order by class I was applied on my directly column names I applied. Yes or no? But here note point is what now? Order by class, order by class can also apply on position, apply on position of a column in select query, position of column in select query. Okay, now for example, what is a select query? Let you come on position of column. For example, let you come back here, select a star from emp guys. So this is entire the table, this is entire the table. So in this table, one of my column, salary column, I'm arranging into descending order. So executed. So order by class. So now order by class you applied on column. Order by class you applied on column. So now descending order or ascending anything I executed. So okay, fine. Your salary column is arranging into descending order. So here I'm using what now? Star. Okay, now star means what guys? All columns. Now you just keep your cursor. Now you can keep your cursor on star. Intelligence box you can see. You finding intelligence box? Are you finding intelligence box? So now tell me, in your intelligence box, salary column, which position number? In your intelligence box, salary column, which position? Sixth position. So that means I'm going to writing here. I'm going to writing here. I'm going to writing here. In place of column name, I can use 6. I can use 6. I can use 6. Okay now. And now to execute now. Now execute now. Yes, your salary column arranging into. Yes, okay now, right. So that means here in your select query, your salary column position is how much here, guys? Here 6. Okay now, right. For example, if I'm writing now, select EMP number, comma e name, comma salary from EMP table, order by 6 if I'm using now. Order by 6 I'm using. When I'm using order by 6 guys here, when I'm using order by 6, then what it was happen, tell me, in your select query, your column, salary column, which position guys? in your present here, present select query. Why are you thinking I'm not showing that this is your select query? In this select query, your salary column, which position? Third position. Yes, third position. But are you giving which position here? Are you given which position here? Sixth position. So that means you are showing error now. See error. See error. What it was saying that the order by position number 6 is out of range of the number of items in the select list. In the select list. Okay na? So that means 6 is out of boundary na. Then what I want to take here, in place of 6, how much I want to take? Yes, 3 I want to take. I'm taking 3 guys and execute now. Okay now. So now your which columns are displayed, which you selected? Number, EMP number displayed, E name displayed, salary, and salary arranging into descending order now. Yes. So in the same to same. For example, now I'm removing one column here. Now tell me what is my position of salary column now? Yes, my position of salary column is 2. Okay, now I'm going to execute. So name and the salaries are displayed. And now suppose, for example, guys, I'm just removing this name. Now salary. Now what is my position of salary column? 1. So that means understand now, in your select query, your column position, whatever it is, based on that position, you can give it. So that is a point I said here. What I said here, order by class can also apply on position of column in select query. In select query. Now statement understand all of you? Okay now, right? So this is the way of order by you can use to work on column names, and also you can use on position of columns. Okay now, understand all of you? Okay, right guys. And guys, remaining classes we will see on Monday session. Okay now, so I stop it here guys. So because of today I'm not well, from last 2 days onwards I'm not well. Okay na, so remaining classes will be checking on Monday session. Clear? Right guys, thank you so much.